Clutter isn't just messy, it costs time, money, and energy. In this video, we'll go through 20 things you can declutter in 2026 to simplify your life, save money, and create more space. No fluff, just practical steps you can start today. 1. Old clothes you never wear. If it hasn't been worn in over a year, it's time to let it go. Donate, sell, or recycle. 2. Expired pantry items. Check cans, spices, sauces, and snacks. Toss anything past its expiration date. 3. Unused kitchen gadgets. That spiralizer or ice cream maker you never touch? Keep only what you actually use. 4. Old papers and receipts. Scan or shred documents you don't need. Reduces clutter and makes filing easier. 5. Expired beauty products. Makeup, creams, sunscreen, if past their date, toss it. 6. Extra bags and packaging. Keep 1 to 2 reusable bags. Recycle old boxes and plastic bags. If you're enjoying this guide, hit like and subscribe for more videos on frugal and simple living. These habits save money, time, and energy, without needing to spend anything extra. 7. Old shoes you don't wear. Donate or recycle. Keeps closets tidy and usable. 8. Unused electronics and chargers. Old phones, cords, adapters. Sell, recycle, or store responsibly. 9. Books you won't read again. Keep a few favorites, donate the rest. 10. Excess home decor. Seasonal or duplicate items. Only keep what sparks joy or is functional. 11. Broken items you won't fix. Toss or recycle. Holding on to them just adds clutter. 12. Old magazines and newspapers. Scan articles if needed. Recycle physical copies. 13. DVDs, CDs, old media. Digitize or recycle. Physical media can take up unnecessary space. 14. Duplicate tools or utensils. Keep one reliable version. Donate extras to friends or charity. 15. Outdated technology manuals. Store digital copies if needed. Toss paper versions. 16. Unused sports or hobby equipment. If you haven't used it in 12 months, consider donating or selling. 17. Old stationery and office supplies. Pens, notebooks, sticky notes. Keep what's useful, recycle the rest. 18. Excess kitchen containers and Tupperware. Keep a functional set only. Discard mismatched or broken lids. 19. Old decorations from holidays. Only keep items with sentimental value. Declutter excess decorations before the season. 20. Digital clutter. Emails, files, photos. Archive what matters, delete the rest. Digital decluttering saves time and reduces stress. Decluttering isn't just about tidying up, it's about making space for what truly matters. Start small, pick a few items from this list, and see the difference. Which of these 20 things will you declutter first? Comment below, I'd love to hear your progress. Remember, a simpler space saves money, time, and energy, and creates a calmer life.